Hello G, a warm welcome from Jigisha and team of Artisans for You. Today let's paint a background with vibrant colors. Let's have a look at the material that we need. First of all, we need a canvas. It may be a white or a black. Yes, we get black canvas these days. Or you may use an oval or a round canvas. It may be stretched like this one, or it may be a board canvas, a panel like this one. Well, I've already made a detailed tutorial on basics of canvas and I'll include the link of it in the description box. So let's go through this section quickly. As you know, apart from the canvas boards and stretched canvas, we also get canvas pads. So you can use a sheet of canvas from this pad as well. Those who are regular viewers of our videos must be knowing by now that my children get to learn something new in every painting. In this tutorial, they came to know that besides pencil, they can also use a sketch pens for making initial markings before starting painting. And that they should prefer a yellow sketch pen so that the markings get hidden by the painting and then they are not visible through the painting. Of course, we need her pens. And you'll get to know the shades that we have used as the video proceeds. And not to forget brushes for spreading the pens and blending them. And now let's start. So what is the shape of this canvas?
Rectangle.
Very good. This is a
Rectangle.
Huh? This is length. And this is breadth. The longer is known as the length. And the shorter is known as the
Breadth.
First, let's make marking on the canvas. We will make markings along the length and the and then mark in twos. We have to count in twos. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. We have to make markings. Start.
5.
Not 5. Count in twos. So we started from 0, then 2, 4 and then
6.
6. Make a marking on 6. Make a marking over here. Then 8 and now make the same markings on the opposite side also. 2, 4, 6,
6, 8.
Good. Similarly, make markings at 2 inches on both the sides along the length of the canvas. Okay? Now we are going to mark these half circles with yellow sketch pen. You got a yellow sketch pen?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take the help of a match this and this marking, right? The opposite markings, we match them with a plate or any circular object, and then with a sketch pen make a marking. Hold the plate with one hand and make the marking with the other hand. Very good.
I'm not touching you, everyone.
Perfect. Go to the next pair of marking. From this corner to this corner. Here and here along the length now. Keep the plate.
फिर हम ऐसे करेंगे.
Mark it.
ऐसे. T-shirt.
Come, start. These are somewhat semicircles now. Now the first semicircle you have to color in
Right.
Correct, like a rainbow. Now make a semicircle of
Yellow color.
Which color is this?
Lemon yellow.
Okay. Yes. Now the third semicircle. Semi means what?
Half circle.
Half circle. So now the next half circle we color with. Which color is this?
Golden.
Cad yellow.
Cad yellow.
This is another shade of yellow.
Teacher,
This was the lemon yellow. This is the cad yellow. Both are yellow. This is the lighter shade. This is the darker shade.
teacher.
No, don't let it go in this yellow. Only this portion. This ring, half ring.
Full do.
Big stroke. See. Start from here. Start from here. Go here. And start from here. Go here.
Now and give me color.
Okay. Now let's mix viridian hue and lemon yellow. Mix them. Mix the colors.
Mix the color.
Next half ring. This one semi. Color it.
This was written all the. किधर है?
This way.
See this.
Like yes. Now we paint with which color? Which color is this?
Turquoise.
All right.
Thank you, Raj. Welcome.
First, we will color larger portions. Okay? Okay? And then later on, you have to fill the white spaces. Larger portions.
Red, blue, orange.
Like this, like this.
बीच में कोई तो कलर रिपीट हो गया.
Yes, good.
One drawing.
Nice.
I want to show one drawing now. Keep it in Raj's bag.
Now, which color is this? Do you know? Raj?
Blue.
Yes, that's cobalt blue. Now this next. This.
पेंटिंग होने के बाद नहीं वो भी पेंटिंग डन टीचर.
There are so many white spaces left. You need to cover all these white spaces.
टीचर ये पूरा वाइट स्पेसेस कवर करना करता है ना. ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा करने का. देख ऐसा करने का.
Yes, I'll give you.
रेड ब्लू ऑरेंज. मैम मेरा
Yes.
प्रॉपर हो गया.
So Rajveer, you made that semicircle in which white is that? Do you know? That's titanium white.
What titan with pink line. Madam.
Wait. Okay, now which blue is this?
Crescent blue.
Prussian blue.
Prussian blue.
Which blue is this?
Prussian blue. Prussian blue. Prussian.
Now color both the corners with this color.
No, that side.
Then. Now you have to blend the colors. You have to blend this dark blue into light blue. You have to blend it. Raj. See. Now move the brush between these two colors. Between the light blue and the dark blue, you have to move this brush. Keep on doing it till you do it till the colors blend.
I also. Yes.
Do it. This side also.
Like this way, Raj.
Very nice. Well done. Now in circular motion. This way.
हाँ ये ये जोड़ने का बोला उन्होंने. He's going like this circular. ये ऐसा ना
Fourth color now.
हो गया.
All right. Good. Excellent.